Hey guys, what is chill? Welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna be playing a little react video with Mr. Repellin. What's chilling? Now this fucking I've watched like the small little beginning of this video and it's completely fucked. Warning everyone, this video may contain a lot of gore. Let's do it. I've already watched like the start of this bit.
I can't hear anything.
Right. The pitch is fucked up enough, his face looks off.
Oh god, you just see the ending. I watched them like more than 5 times, it's that freaking cool. But gory as hell. See these videos down there? Oh, you gonna pick it up? Wow, what up? Can you turn on the music for me? Because I can't hear anything. No, I can't hear it. Yeah, I'll turn it off. Dude, did you get shot with?
Oh,
yeah.
Fuck.
Holy crap! Oh!
God! Oh, fuck!
Holy crap, that would have hurt. Oh.
This shit is fucked! What the fuck?
Oh my god.
They're going back! Oh, God. The camera turned off.
Yeah, I'll turn it off.
Turn it back on. Oh, fuck me! Holy shit! Oh, what the fuck?
Oh my god.
What the fuck is going on?
Wow, I'm scared. His face was smashed in with the
This shit is fucked!
Ow!
Oh, God.
Wow, how long did it take to make that thing?
What the fuck?
Isn't it? That's all that out. Oh my god.
What the fuck?
Oh. I'm sorry for the people that actually die brutally. Jesus. It's like he's turning into a werewolf. Yeah. Have you watched the whole thing?
What the fuck?
Oh, girl. Yeah, you can actually see the transformation. It turns out therapy and stuff. I'm sorry for the pain. That's quite awful. Whoa! Oh my god! Oh my god! I'm the baby.
What the fuck is this video?
It's Kill the Noise by Black Magic. You can see right there. There's no part 1 to it at all.
That's just fucked up.
I know. How long does it take to make these things? I don't even know.
That shit is fucked.
I know, right?
Anyway, guys. Fuck. I'm scarred. That's not getting out of my head. I'm not.
It's not even out of my head. Well, it is.
That's
just
gonna be stuck in my head.
Just watch it more than 5. Just watch it a couple of times, then you get it out of your head.
Oh, fuck. Holy shit, everyone. Well, I guess that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoy us reacting to that shit.
Kill the Noise by Black Magic.
Anyway, guys. I'll see you guys all in the next video.
Hey, you know the guy who made me watch this? My friend Cody.
Okay, everyone. Well, see you
Cody
guys
Fraser Killer.
in the next video. Peace out.